Tired of clutter but obsessed with cool finds that actually work? You're about to love this. In today's video, we're diving into 10 smartest Amazon products designed to save space, stay organized, and seriously level up your home, all without breaking the bank. From hidden storage hacks to sleek kitchen solutions, these are the viral items people are raving about. And trust me, you'll see why. If you love practical gadgets and clever home upgrades, smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing finds, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a drop. Let's dive in. Number 1. LifeWit Expandable Silverware Drawer Organizer. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers with a LifeWit Expandable Silverware Drawer Organizer. This smart organizer features 3 spacious compartments and 2 adjustable side slots. Perfect for keeping spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more in place. It expands from 13 to 22.4 inches, so it fits most kitchen drawers like a glove. Made from BPA-free, food-safe material, it's durable, safe for all your utensils, and super easy to clean. Just a quick rinse and you're good to go. Its sturdy bottom and fixed dividers stop your items from sliding around, while the curved grooves make grabbing utensils smooth and easy. Whether you're organizing kitchen tools or sorting small items in another room, this versatile tray keeps everything neat, accessible, and in its rightful place. The LifeWit Drawer Organizer is your first step to a clutter-free kitchen. Number 2. Eucopia Storemore Bakeware Rack. Tired of messy kitchen cabinets? The Eucopia Storemore Bakeware Rack is here to save your sanity. With 7 adjustable dividers, it holds everything from cutting boards to muffin pans, all upright, neat, and easy to grab. No more stacking and scratching. The coated steel dividers keep your bakeware safe and protected. And thanks to its non-slip feet, this rack stays put, even when you're pulling out that one tray at the bottom. Setup? Super easy. Just snap in the dividers and you're done in minutes. Its compact size fits most standard cabinets or pantries, making it perfect for small kitchens or anyone who loves staying organized. Upgrade your storage game today. You'll wonder how you live without it. Number 3. Oizir 3-tier expandable plastic spice rack, white gray. Take your spice game to the next level with the Oizir 3-tier expandable spice rack. A clean, customizable solution for cluttered cabinets and pantries. With 3-step tiers, you'll have easy visibility of every spice bottle, so you never lose track of what you have. Need more space? Just pull it out. The adjustable length fits your cabinet, countertop, or pantry perfectly. Each tier has a textured, non-slip surface and rimmed edges to keep everything from tipping, sliding, or tumbling over. And it's not just for spices. Use it for canned goods, cosmetics, nail polish, medicine bottles, even craft supplies. The white and gray color combo adds a modern touch to any kitchen or bathroom setup. From visibility to versatility, the Oizir Spice Rack makes storage simple, sleek, and stress-free. Number 4. Guzon 4-pack Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer, 11.5-inch clear. Maximize hard-to-reach spaces with the Guzon Lazy Susan Organizer. This 4-pack of clear rotating turntables is the perfect solution for deep cabinets, pantry corners, fridge shelves, or bathroom counters. Thanks to smooth stainless steel ball bearings, each tray spins 360 degrees effortlessly, so everything you need is always within reach. Each turntable measures 11.5 inches wide, with a raised edge that keeps items securely in place while spinning. Whether it's spice jars, condiments, or toiletries, your items stay put, even in motion. Built-in handles make each tray easy to lift and move around, and the transparent design lets you see everything at a glance. No more digging or knocking things over. From kitchen cabinets to vanity counters, the Guzon Lazy Susan is a versatile organizer that cuts clutter and saves serious space. Number 5. Pull-out trash can kit. Hide the mess, not the function. The Insputer Pull-out Trash Can Kit transforms your under-sink space into a clean, efficient waste station. Made with heavy-duty steel and nano-painting tech, it's built to last, rust-resistant, and able to hold up to 100 pounds. Soft closed slides mean no loud bangs or tipped cans, just smooth, quiet operation every time. Installing it? Super simple. The kit includes all the parts, instructions, and even video guides. Designed to fit in cabinets as narrow as 12 inches wide, it's perfect for small kitchens, pantries, or even laundry rooms. No more trash cans in plain sight. Keep odors contained and your kitchen clutter-free. Number 6. Coffee Mug Holder Rack Organizer. Running out of space for your coffee mugs? Here's the perfect fix. This 2-pack coffee mug holder rack instantly frees up your counters while turning your mugs into wall-worthy decor. Each rack holds 8 mugs, that's 16 mugs total, with 4.45 inches of space between hooks to prevent clinking or cracking. Made from rustic wood and sturdy black-coated iron, it's both stylish and strong. Perfect for kitchens, home coffee bars, or even office spaces. Mount it your way. Whether side by side or stacked, this wall-mounted rack fits your space and keeps everything within reach. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to a sleek, organized brew station. Want to upgrade your mug game? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 7. Sunficon Cutting Board and Lid Organizer Rack. Black, flat steel. Keep your kitchen essentials upright and easy to grab with the Sunficon Cutting Board Rack. Compact yet sturdy, this sleek black stand measures just 4.92 by 5.7 by 8.47 inches, perfect for organizing cutting boards, pot lids, baking sheets, or even cookbooks without eating up precious counter space. Crafted from heavy-duty flat steel with a rust-resistant coating, it's built to last and resist wear from daily use. Each slot holds boards or lids up to 1.2 inches wide, while the anti-skid backing keeps everything stable and in place. With a modern house-shaped design, it's not only functional, it adds a stylish touch to any countertop. Ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or apartments, this rack fits wherever you need order without the clutter. Minimal footprint, maximum organization. Sunficon is your small space storage hero. Number 8. Space Aid Wrap Neat 3-in-1 Bamboo Wrap Organizer with cutter and labels. Say goodbye to tangled foil, torn plastic wrap, and messy drawers. The Space Aid Wrap Neat 3-in-1 Organizer keeps your plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper perfectly stored and easy to access, all in one sleek bamboo box. With 3 separate slots and built-in sliding cutters, you get a clean cut every time. No more struggling to find the roll start. It fits standard 12-inch rolls and comes with 21 label stickers, so you can personalize or keep that minimalist natural bamboo look. Whether placed in a drawer or mounted on a wall, this organizer measures just 14 by 8.5 inches. Small in size but huge in impact. Durable, stylish, and functional, it's a game changer for anyone tired of the clutter and chaos in their kitchen wrap drawer. Space Aid makes neat look natural and totally effortless. Number 9. UmiLife Bamboo Kitchen Cabinet Organizer with Adjustable Dividers. Tame the chaos of food container lids with the UmiLife Bamboo Cabinet Organizer, a stylish and functional solution for modern kitchens. Made from premium natural bamboo with a smooth, even finish, this box holds lids of all shapes, round, square, or rectangular, up to 9.5 inches wide. Inside, 11 preset slots and 5 adjustable dividers let you create custom compartments for a perfect fit. Whether it's lid storage, tea bags, spice jars, or even makeup and stationery, this box handles it all. The mortise and tenon construction makes it sturdy, while built-in handles offer easy grip. Bonus: anti-skid silicone feet keep the organizer stable inside your drawer or on the counter and lift it off humid surfaces for longer life. The UmiLife Organizer isn't just storage, it's a clean and classy upgrade to your kitchen organization game. Number 10. CPO Plastic Bag Holder. Tired of messy grocery bags piling up everywhere? Meet the CPO Plastic Bag Holder, your stylish, space-saving solution. With a smart open design and elastic bottom, you can easily stuff in bags at the top and pull them out one by one from the bottom. No more clutter, no more chaos. Made from high-quality Oxford fabric, it's soft, breathable, and holds over 150 bags without tearing or stretching. Plus, it's machine washable, eco-friendly, and reusable. helping you reduce waste while keeping things organized. Hang it on a hook, wall, or inside a cabinet, wherever you need it most. Perfect for kitchens, garages, or even as a cute gift idea. And that wraps up today's list of must-have Amazon finds. Simple, smart, and seriously satisfying. If one of these products made you think, I need that, don't sleep on it. The links are right below waiting for you. Got a favorite from today's picks? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're adding to cart. While you're here, go ahead and like this video if it gave you any value. Subscribe for more clever finds each week, and tap that notification bell so you're always one step ahead. Until next time, stay organized and shop smart.